I found a good Cantonese Facebook page few months ago. One of the posts talks about sentence final particles. In Cantonese, if we use different sentence final particles, the meaning of the sentence can be different. The page uses a simple and short sentence, "It's you," to illustrate the power of sentence final particles. In each sentence final particle, I also give you example to show how to use.
係你呀，係你呀，係你呀，係你呀，係你咩？係你咩？係你嘅？係你嘅？係你呢？係你呢？係你喎，係你喎，係你咯，係你咯，係你呢？係你呢？係你㗎，係你㗎，係你啦，係你啦，係你啩，係你啩，係你噃，係你噃，係你㗎啦，係你㗎啦，係你㗎咋，係你㗎咋，係你啦啩，係你啦啩，係你呀可，係你呀可，係你呀嘛，係你呀嘛，係你㗎啦嘛，係你㗎啦嘛。